Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. Today we will be making a classic chocolate chip oatmeal cookie. It's a little crispy around the edges with a soft chew in the center. I hope you enjoy them. To start with, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees and move a rack to the center position. Next, you're going to line your baking trays with parchment paper. Next, you're going to whisk together 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. The importance of whisking the dry ingredients together beforehand ensures that everything is equally distributed when you add it to the batter. Next, you'll want to melt 1 cup of butter, about 227 grams. Next, you'll want to add 1 cup of brown sugar and 3/4 of a cup of white sugar to a stand mixer fitted with a pedal attachment or an electric mixer. To the sugars, we will add melted butter. Next, we need to cream together the butter and the sugars. Add 2 large eggs at room temperature, beating well after each to fully incorporate. And then we're going to add 1 egg yolk at room temperature. The importance of adding eggs at room temperature is that they will create a better emulsion with the butter and the sugar if they are at room temperature. Beat the eggs and sugars until light in color. Give your bowl a good scrape around the edges, and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. A quick mix on that vanilla. Now we're going to add our whisk together dry ingredients all at once. Turn your mixer on low. Nobody wants a big flour cloud. Mix until just combined. Now we'll add 2 cups of large flake oatmeal. And give that a mix until just combined. And the best part, semi-sweet chocolate chips, about 1.5 cups. Scoop batter approximately 2 inches apart on your prepared baking tray using a 1-ounce cookie scoop. I like to flatten these cookies with the bottom of a cup, that way they're not too thick in the center. For best results for evenly baked cookies, bake 1 tray at a time for about 10 minutes. Just a little bit crispy around the edges, still a little soft in the center, and delicious.